Today I'm going to show you how to earn and claim PDUs for free. You can renew your PMP and or PMI-ACP certification without paying education fees for PDUs. Many education websites charge you over $100 or more for 30 PDUs. I will show you in this video how to earn and claim PDUs for free if you are a PMI member. Usually, the certification is good for 3 years. After passing your PMP or PMI-ACP exam, to maintain your PMP or PMI-ACP certification, you need to renew your certification before its expiration date. For a PMP, 60 professional development units PDUs are needed for the PMP renewal. For PMI-ACP, 30 PDUs are needed for the PMI-ACP renewal. Most of the time, the PDUs for a PMI-ACP renewal will also be counted for a PMP renewal. So please work on the PMI-ACP PDUs first, then make up the differences for the PMP. The initial PMI annual membership fee is $139. The membership renewal fee is $129. There are several benefits to become a PMI member. First one is a discount on exams. PMI exam fee is $405 for member versus $555 for non-member. PMI-ACP exam fee is $435 for member versus $495 for non-member. Secondly, you can free download a PDF of handbook guides and other useful standards and templates. Number 3, you get a lot of free webinars so you can claim PDUs once you finish watching the videos. So there are over 1,000 videos. Each video is running about an hour. Type in projectmanagement.com in the address bar of your browser. Log into your account using your PMI membership login information. Click Webinars pull-down menu. Select On-Demand Webinars, and this should take you to the On-Demand Webinars search page. This shows you the renewal date of your available certifications. I'm certified for both PMP and PMI-ACP, so the renewal dates are listed for both certifications. In the filtering functions, I may search for a specific topic such as Agile. Also, I need to make sure the webinars that I am searching for is good for my certification, PMI-ACP, for example. You may scroll down the search results to determine the topic that you want to view next. For example, after viewing the short introduction of the webinar, I decided to watch the webinar titled Developing an Agile Plan. Not all webinars will give you PDUs after you watch them, so please double-check the PDU information listed below the video. Also, the talent triangle alignment table listed below the video should tell you exactly how many PDUs that you will receive after watching the video. In this example, you will receive 1 PDU for PMI-ACP certification. Enter your username and password using your membership account login information so you can log into PMI.org website. Once you log into your account, click My PMI drop-down on the top right corner of the page. Then select Dashboard to access your dashboard. You may scroll down the page to find the certification that you want to report the PDUs. I will use the PMI-ACP as an example. Currently, it shows I have completed 18 PDUs. A total of 30 PDUs is required for the renewal. So I need to have 12 or more PDUs. Click the Report PDUs button. You will click the Online or Digital Media button to access the report form as shown in the next slide. This slide shows you how to complete the report form for the PDU you just earned through watching the pre-recorded webinar. The provider is a projectmanagement.com community virtual events. The title in this example would be Developing an Agile Plan. Usually, the description is auto-populated once you enter the title. However, you may also copy it from the description of the webinar below the video. It is also an optional field. The URL of the webinar is also optional. You may also copy it from the URL of the webinar. Select the started date and completed date of watching this video. You may give a rating of the webinar, accept the term, then submit your PDU claim. Now you want to verify if PDU is received. Go back to your dashboard. You should find that you have received a PDU for your PMI-ACP certification. The completed PDUs are now changed from 18 to 19. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel.